Welcome back to the engineering mechanics class that you have been waiting for your entire life so you can learn more about internal forces. And we already started talking about internal force diagrams, and of course today we will continue that talk. But last class we talked about concentrated forces and how they act on the internal force diagrams. So today I want to talk with you about distributed forces. And so the first thing I want to do is I want to analyze or think about what effect evenly distributed forces have on the internal force diagrams before we then take it up a notch and think about the effect that we have when we deal with non-evenly distributed forces or arbitrary distributed forces. And again, we want to find out how they impact the internal force diagrams. And at the very end of this lecture, we should be able, therefore, to describe internal forces at any point, and any point in this case means at finite increments along a beam axis before we will take it to the next level in our next class and talk about how we can describe really the internal forces at every infinitesimally small location along the beam. But today we want to still keep it finite and look at very particular points along the beam by using the effects that we will analyze.